guys, my name is Mark and I work down here at Cable Dominant Dodge, and in today's video I'm going to show you how this thing can park itself. That is right, there's a button on the inside, you press that little guy and the vehicle does all the work. It works seamlessly, it works very effectively. I can't wait to show you this. Go ahead and stick around to see the awesome ghost driving skills of this Wagoneer. Thanks for watching, let's check it out. Alrighty, I am in a Wagoneer, pardon me, and we are doing the hands-free parking setup. Oh my goodness, stop it says. Shifting to drive here. Okay, look at this thing, oh my goodness. Move forward it says. Let's see. Stop. Just shift it to reverse. Okay. Wait for steering wheel to complete, it says. Backwards here. Pretty cool stuff. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, thanks for watching this short video on how this parking system works. As you can see, you press that parking button right down here, and then you select whether you want a parallel or perpendicular park, and then you select your turn signal, and then the vehicle does the rest of the work. Pretty neat stuff, right? Thanks for watching this video. Since you made it this far today, go ahead and leave a comment below if you liked watching today's video, if you want more videos like this. And also, please subscribe. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.